Okay guys, let us do the questions number 2. So question number 2, we have y prime equal to 3y plus 2. So y prime can be rewrite is dy dx equal to 3y plus 2. Now to put these differentiation equations as separables, then we have to move all the unknown functions y to the left hand side of the equations, and then we'll put dx to the right hand side. Now we can integrate both sides of the equations to find the solutions. Now for the left hand side of the integrations, we can use the substitutions. So we integrate y divided by 3y plus 2 dy. So to do these integrations, we can use substitutions, so that we let u equal to 3y plus 2. Now we can rewrite this in terms of y is equal to u minus 2 divided by 3. Then we take the derivative of du dy. For this we get 3, and then the dy equal to 1 divided by 3 du. So this will be used as a substitutions to our integrations on the right hand side. Now we do the substitution over here. So y is substitute as u minus 2 divided by 3, and 3y plus 2 is equal to u, so we multiply with 1 divided by u, and dy is equal to 1 over 3 du. Now we simplify this, then we have 3 by 3 times 3, we have 1 over 9. So we can put this constant outside of our integral. Then we have a u minus 2 divided by u du. So we can rearrange this by writing 1 over 9. So u divided by u is 1. Then we have 2 minus u du. Now we can do the integration with respect to u. So it's 1 over 9. So integration of 1 with respect to du is equal to u. And here we have minus 2 natural log of u. Okay. Now this is the left hand side of integrations. So this can be replaced in terms of u, which is u equal to 3y plus 2. So we replace this 1 divided by 9. u is 3y plus 2 minus 2 ln and 3y plus 2. Okay, so this is the left hand side of the equations. Now for the right hand side of the equations, this is very simple. For this right hand side of the equation over here, and this is equal to x plus c. So we are going to equal the right hand side equations to the right hand side. Then we have 1 divided by 9, 3y plus 2 minus 2 natural log of 3y plus 2, and this must be equal to the right hand side, which is x plus c. Okay, right. Now we can simplify by multiplying the bracket terms over here, multiply by 1 divided by 9, then we have 1 divided by 3, and then we have 2 divided by 9 minus 2 divided by 9, and the natural log of 3y plus 2. This is equal to x plus c. Now one thing to take note is that we have an arbitrary constant c, and then we have a constant value in the left hand side of the equation, and then we can do this as one arbitrary constant. That means we can replace this arbitrary constant as c bar is equal to c minus 2 divided by 9. Okay, that means so that we rearrange this equation over here, then we have y divided by 3 minus 2 9 natural log of 3y plus 2, and this must be equal to x plus c bar. So this is our